Welcome to the basics of HTML. In this video, I will be showing you the basics of HTML and some of its uses. HTML can be used to display text, images, and other media. HTML is not a programming language, but can be used in conjunction with other programming languages such as JavaScript, PHP, XML, and other languages. As you can see, HTML is a collection of tags with text to display the text in different manners. To start the tags, let's start with the basic tags. These two at the top will show your browser that you are working with an HTML document. The head signifies the top part of your browser. The title is the name of which your website is called. The body is the main part of the website, and all of these tags must be closed. For text manipulation tags, we can have standalone text. We can have paragraphs which start and end with line breaks, and even when placed next to one another, they will be written in different lines. The style tag can be used to change the color, the font size, and the font style of these paragraphs. Here we have the break tag, which is a standalone tag that doesn't need to be closed. All it does is it adds a line break in between all of your text. Here we have the image tag, which shows an image. This image is grabbed from the source of where the HTML file is, and you need to reference the name of this file. If you do not reference the name correctly, the alternate text will be used. Inside all of your paragraphs, you can use the A tag to create links that will take you to different pages, or can even take you to a completely different website. The video tag can be used to display videos, and each individual source here will be alternates of what will be displayed if a browser does not support the MP4, the OGG type.